friends, this is Wendy from Cannin, Plannin. Welcome back to day number 18 of our Craft With Me for February 2024, where we are doing 29 days of craft projects. We have been playing with our gnomes. We've been playing with coffee. Yesterday we did, or a couple days ago, we did paw print. And we are going to let my computer just do whatever it wants to do apparently today. We're going to dive back into our gnome kit, but we're going to also use the journal stickers. So my computer makes its own choices. We're just going to go with it. All right, you guys, here we go. We are diving into making a gnome card kit. We're going to utilize the gnome journal stickers that come with it. So this is a journal sticker sheet. It has the days of the week, a couple of fun decorative elements, some washi strips, a banner, some other fun things. So we're going to create a mushroom village. We're going to use our card base, a card envelope. I took several pieces of paper, three pieces of paper, and we're going to rip them so that we can create a kind of like different landscape. So I grabbed all of the greens. This green paper is from one sheet, the piece that's missing in the middle. And then I grabbed two other sections from the card kit. So we're using three different pieces of paper for this card kit, but it's totally fine. And then we're going to use two die cuts this time. We're going to use one of our gnomes and we're going to use a mushroom house. And then we're going to use the stickers off of our journal sticker sheet. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and place this back one here first. And I'm going to do glue all the way around this one. Again, we're going to make sure that our card opens the right way, which we want it to be landscape. There we go. So I'm going to put this at the very top like so. The next piece that I'm going to add is this lighter green color, not the lightest, but a lighter green. And this time though, I'm only going to do the bottom and the sides, and that leaves me space to be able to tuck different elements behind it if I want to. So I'm going to line those up. Then I'm going to grab my next green color, same thing. I'm only going to do the bottom and the sides, and I ran out of glue. I did not come prepared today, so pardon me while I reach up to my other section, my shelf, and grab some more glue. I did not come prepared for that part. All right, so we're going to go all the way across the bottom and the two sides so that we can create that nice little pocket like so. And then we're going to do the last piece. Again, we're just going to do the sides and the bottom so that we have the ability to use the pocket part. So we're going to just line this up along the bottom so that it continues with our little border and gives us some space to tuck. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to tuck the bigger mushroom house right in the middle, but I'm not going to glue it down yet because I want to kind of play with where I want it to be in regard to our other little mushroom houses. So this one is farthest away, or that's the smallest of the five. So I'm going to use this one first, and I'm going to just tuck him because I want my gnome like this. So I'm going to tuck it probably like this. So there's one little gnome house. And then we want one a little bit closer. I'm going to take this one and we're going to tuck it back. So it's just the tippy top of the house. And then the next one we'll grab is this one. And we're going to make him kind of off to the side. So I'm going to make this like here. And then the next one, I'm going to have him coming out of kind of the top there. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the next one. Like this. Oh, it's so cute, you guys. And then I want kind of the next one off to the side here. So we're going to go like this. And we're going to go kind of behind. But I'm not worried about getting it all the way tucked because he's going to be standing kind of in front of it. Like So, okay, now I'm going to attach this big one. And we're going to tuck it down in there so we can still see all of our other little houses, the windows and such. And then I'm going to use some dimensions to make him pop off a little bit. So not only is he standing in front of that house, he's also coming off the paper a little bit, which is kind of fun. And you'll notice that I did not put a sentiment on this one. I'm actually going to put it on the inside. And we're going to make him just pop off the page just a little bit like that. So there is our little gnome village. And then on the inside, we're going to use the hello friends because there's more than one house there, right? So we're going to open this up and we're going to put the hello friends sticker. Come on the inside as straight as you can get it, like a sentiment in an actual card. And then we're going to take our envelope. We're going to put our little gnome house on the outside in the back corner like so. And there is our little gnome card for today, making a 3-dimensional spread using stickers and die cuts. If you found this information helpful, please feel free to share it out. And I will see you guys back here for day number 19 of our Craft With Me session. Bye, friends.